Hello everyone. Thank you for coming and joining me today. I am working on my next video series. Most of my videos that I am doing are follow-ups to my first video, How Not to Be Afraid of the Camera. And if you recall, when I first did the video, I was very nervous. I really didn't know what to talk about. And I was not sure of how to do anything. But that was a month ago. And guess what? I've learned so much, but I still have a lot to learn. Did read something this morning and it just popped in my head, like pop. Because the main thing, every time you go on YouTube, what do you see? What do you see? Someone is like, how you could get this many subscribers? Let me tell you what you're doing wrong. Hey, I did it and I got it in 5 months. This is my beginning stage. This is only 1 month. And I don't have a lot of subscribers. I'm afraid to say that I don't have a lot of subscribers, but that's okay. It's not for everyone and that's okay. But I found the outlet that I can engage in as opposed to doing something that I shouldn't be doing anyway. So this here is what quarantine has done to me. That light bulb popped in my head. So, yeah. I'm working on something that I wanted to do. Well, I can't tell you about it. I have to do it, okay? It might be attached to this video because this is just the start. Just the start.